The Leapmotor B01 electric sedan joins the mid-range EV fray with a brash mix of advanced technology, handsome style, and aggressive pricing. Following the B10 SUV, which crossed 8,000 factory deliveries in a mere 13 days since launch and is likely to reach 10,000 units by April end, the B01 sedan trails the brand's frenzied pace. The B10's success lay with its 510-kilometer mileage, LiDAR-based autonomous driving system, and Qualcomm 8650-driven autonomous driving system in conjunction with the powerful 8295 cockpit chip. The B01 inherits the same compelling value proposition for the sedan segment from that success. Launched at the Shanghai Auto Show, the B01 is based on Leapmotor's Leap 3.5 modular architecture and targets young urbanites who place premium on aesthetics and intelligence. Its narrow-body fastback shape boasts a 17.2-degree rake angle and a segment-leading drag coefficient of just 0.197 CD, which beats the likes of such top-shelf electrics as the Porsche Taycan and Tesla Model S. Its dimensions are 4,770 mm length, 1,880 mm width, and 1,490 mm height, with a 2,735 mm wheelbase, placing it firmly in contention with cars like the XPeng Mona 03 and GAC Aeon RT. The sedan features a modern front-end design with a sweeping LED daytime running light strip, daytime running lights split in the middle, and aerodynamic piano black trim details. The exterior has a total of 8 colors, including an exclusive Morgan pink, which employs the use of manganese to produce dynamic visual effects in the sun. These pieces in aggregate move the B01 past the conventional appearance of the 150,000 yuan, around 21,000 USD class. Interior trim also defies its price class, with a high-end character to it, from 88% soft-touch material cover. Purple or gray color scheme is offered for the interior, both supported by cloud-textured leather and chrome-trimmed vents, armrests, and door trims. Flat-bottom steering wheel and twin display setup enhance the new driving experience, with a high-resolution 14.6-inch 2.5K central screen and an 8.8-inch full LCD instrument cluster. Interior room is the other strength area for the B01. Its 86% space use rating equals highly roomy leg and headspace for passengers. Rear seats also recline 28 degrees and split 60-40 for added convenience. The 460-liter boot can be made larger by another 70 liters by an adjustable partition system, making the car suitable for both daily work commutes and long weekend getaways. The B01 is available in 6 trims, with CLTC-rated driving ranges of 430 kilometers, 550 kilometers, and 650 kilometers. These models cater to different performance and budget requirements, using several battery packs and motors. The most affordable 430 Comfort Edition features a 134 horsepower electric motor that delivers 175 Nm of torque with the help of a 43.9 kilowatt-hour lithium iron phosphate battery. This version has a top speed of 150 kilometers per hour and will reach 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 9.4 seconds. For even more power, the 550 and 650 series offer larger LFP battery packs of 56.2 kilowatt-hours and 67.1 kilowatt-hours, respectively. The 550 series is available in Comfort, Enjoy, and LiDAR versions with power ratings of 177 horsepower or 215 horsepower, as well as a torque output of up to 240 Nm. These have a top speed of 160 kilometers per hour, the quickest model going 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.4 seconds. The 650 trims, available as Enjoy and LiDAR, keep the 160 kilowatt motor but offer 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 6.5 seconds, an ideal combination of power and range. All variants are underpinned by a chassis engineered for dynamic city and motorway use, with 4 curb weights: 1550 kilograms, 1625 kilograms, 1660 kilograms. and 1,711 kilograms, trimmed to accommodate different powertrains and trim levels. Advanced driver assistance is built into the Leapmotor pilot system, based on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8650 chip and equipped with up to 26 intelligent functions. These include high-speed and city driving on autopilot, as well as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, and automatic parking. Standard safety kit has 5 cameras and 12 ultrasonic radars. Premium trims have a more advanced set with 10 cameras, 12 ultrasonic radars, 3mm wave radars, and a 128-line LiDAR unit with a detection range of 300 meters and a 140-degree field of vision. This set offers greater environmental perception, allowing the B01 to drive through dense urban settings and highways with little intervention by the driver. Infotainment is managed by Leapmotor OS 4.0 Plus and driven by either the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8155P or 8295P processor, depending on the trim. These processors allow for smooth user interaction and are complemented by DeepSeek's AI technology to deliver a responsive voice assistant and smart cockpit features. For greater usability, the front passenger area consists of 6 modular Magic expansion holes, which have the ability to support add-ons such as fold-down tables, cup holders, and cell phone holders, emphasizing convenience and flexibility. Despite its high-end specs and high-end styling, the B01 retails in the very competitive 150,000 yuan bracket. Market gossip, however, is forecasting a lower base price than that of the B10 SUV's 99,800 yuan, approximately 13,600 USD base price. Base prices have been predicted as low as 88,800 yuan, around 12,200 USD, which would position the B01 as one of the cheapest sedans to feature premium options. The B01's July 24th launch represents a new aggressive push into the segment generally dominated by compact city EVs, bottom-end hybrids, and ride-sharing vehicles. By offering LiDAR functionality, range extenders, top-quality interior finishes, and entire-scale smart tech, all in the form of a compact executive sedan, Leapmotor disrupts entrenched incumbents and reshapes value boundaries in the EV space. An equally measured entry into the sedan market speaks volumes of a sharp eye for consumer trends. With aesthetics at center and value-driven trimmings spread across the range, B01 powerfully draws in first-time EV buyers and tech connoisseur buyers alike. The sedan's broad range of features across price levels ensures affordability without sacrifice, while allowing customers to step up to more advanced driving tech and higher range when they want. As competition in the Chinese EV segment increases, especially in the sub-200,000 yuan band, vehicles like the B01 can redefine expectations to provide features that have thus far been reserved for pricier cars. Its aerodynamics, AI-powered user interface, adaptive driving mechanisms, and adaptable interior design reflect a changing EV landscape, where even mass-market products exhibit premium appeal. By combining forward-looking design, modular technology, and value, the Leapmotor B01 is a power to be reckoned with in the new electric sedan world. Its ability to pull off style, performance, and intelligence at this price level makes it one of the most engaging participants in the electric mobility space today.